Air fryers revolutionize the way we cook by using hot air circulation to create a crispy exterior with little to no oil. They offer a healthier alternative to deep frying while maintaining the delicious taste and texture we love. From crispy fries to golden chicken, air fryers bring the joy of fried food with a healthier twist. Hey everyone. In this video, we will look at the 6 best air fryers available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on performance, safety, and price. If you want more product information, I have included links in the description box below. Like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. At number 1 is the Instant Pot Vortex Plus. This remarkable air fryer brings a world of flavors to your fingertips, combining convenience, versatility, and health consciousness in one compact package. Say goodbye to greasy, calorie-laden meals and welcome the era of guilt-free indulgence with this air fryer. Gone are the days of drenching your food in oil, and this is due to its revolutionary air frying technology. With this air fryer, you can achieve that perfect golden crispness with significantly less fat than traditional frying methods. Indulge in your favorite guilty pleasures, such as crispy fries or mouth-watering chicken wings, without compromising your health-conscious goals. Equipped with a real-time display, this multifunctional appliance offers a diverse range of cooking options. Whether you are air frying, broiling, roasting, dehydrating, baking, or reheating, this air fryer has you covered. Its even crisp technology ensures a consistent and flawless outcome, delivering a tantalizing combination of golden finish and irresistibly tender results every time. Navigate its intuitive interface effortlessly with the convenience of one-touch smart programs. From wings to roasted veggies and garlicky potatoes to cinnamon buns, the customizable programs provide endless culinary possibilities. With fast preheating capabilities, you can transform frozen delights into delectable golden creations within minutes, and the temperature range of 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit allows you to explore the realm of gourmet cooking. Cleanup becomes a breeze with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray. The compact design and sleek stainless steel accents make it a stylish addition to any countertop. Embrace the joy of culinary experimentation with the aid of the free Instant Pot app, offering a treasure trove of amazing recipes to elevate your cooking experience. Safety is a top priority, and this air fryer incorporates built-in safety features such as overheat protection and auto-off, providing peace of mind while you focus on creating culinary masterpieces. Ideal for quick and delicious meals, this kitchen must-have is perfect for 4 to 6 servings, making it an essential companion for busy individuals and families. Discover a new world of culinary possibilities and elevate your cooking prowess with this air fryer. From appetizers to main courses and everything in between, this remarkable appliance will transform your kitchen into a culinary haven. This air fryer is here to revolutionize your cooking experience. At number 2 on the list is the GoWise USA 5.8 QT Air Fryer. This versatile air fryer allows you to fry, bake, grill, and roast with minimal to no oil, revolutionizing the way you prepare your meals. From crispy fried chicken and juicy steaks to perfectly golden French fries and mouth-watering pizzas, this countertop appliance can do it all. With its sleek and modern design, this air fryer is not just a culinary powerhouse, but also a stylish addition to your kitchen. Its advanced touchscreen menu takes the guesswork out of cooking, featuring 8 preset cooking options that cater to your specific cravings. Whether it's fries, pork, chicken, steak, shrimp, cake, fish, or pizza, achieving the perfect result has never been easier. The wide temperature range from 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and the convenient cooking timer provide precise control over your culinary creations. The new start and stop button allows you to change the time and temperature seamlessly, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection. And with the built-in alarm function, you'll never forget to shake your ingredients as it reminds you at regular intervals. Equipped with a non-stick pan and detachable basket, this air fryer offers effortless cleaning and convenience. The cool touch handle and button guard prevent accidental detachment while allowing you to shake and flip your contents effortlessly. To ignite your culinary imagination, this air fryer comes with a recipe book filled with 50 delectable recipes specifically designed for this appliance. Whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert, you'll find a wide range of options to tantalize your taste buds. Utilizing rapid air technology, this remarkable air fryer ensures that your food cooks evenly from all sides, providing that coveted crispy texture you crave. Embrace a new era of cooking and savor the flavors you love without the extra calories. With its versatility, convenience, and sleek design, this air fryer is a must-have for every kitchen. Elevate your culinary creations and reimagine your favorite dishes with this exceptional appliance. The possibilities are endless, and the taste is simply irresistible. At number 3 on our list is the Cosori Pro LE5 QT Air Fryer. Experience a culinary revolution with this state-of-the-art air fryer that will transform the way you cook and indulge in your favorite dishes. Harnessing the power of 360 degrees rapid heat circulation technology, this air fryer allows you to savor the crispy textures of deep-fried foods with a staggering 85% less fat. Speed is of the essence, and this air fryer delivers. With industry-leading temperatures of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it cooks your meals 20% faster than ever before. Enjoy the convenience of preparing quick and delicious meals in minutes, perfect for busy individuals and families on the go. Equipped with 9 easy functions, the tempered glass display provides one-touch cooking options that simplify your culinary journey. Preheat with ease and add personalized shake reminders to add some fun and creativity to the cooking process. This air fryer boasts a suitable capacity of 5 quarts, providing ample cooking space for 1 to 4 people. Its space-saving design ensures it takes up minimal room on your countertop, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen. Cleaning up becomes a breeze with a non-stick basket, which is both dishwasher safe and free from harmful substances like BPA and PFOA. Enjoy the convenience of effortless cleaning while maintaining a safe and healthy cooking environment. Unleash your culinary potential with the included cookbook of 30 original recipes by Kasore R&D chefs and dive into a treasure trove of over 100 recipes on the free VSync app. Let your creativity soar as you embark on a culinary adventure, cooking like a pro in no time. With ETL listing and a power supply of AC 120 volts, 60 Hz, this air fryer meets stringent safety standards. Its rated power of 1,500 watts ensures reliable and efficient performance. The temperature range of 170 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit provides precise control over your cooking endeavors. Embrace a new way of cooking and enjoy your favorite meals guilt-free. This remarkable air fryer brings together innovation, efficiency, and convenience in a single appliance. Elevate your culinary experience, explore new flavors, and make healthier choices without compromising on taste. Experience the culinary revolution for yourself. At number 4 is the Chefman Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer. Experience the ultimate culinary convenience with this multifunctional digital air fryer, an all-in-one appliance that revolutionizes your countertop cooking. With 5 versatile cooking options including air frying, baking, dehydrating, rotisserie, and roasting, this appliance is designed to deliver crispy perfection in every dish. This convection oven utilizes rapid air heating elements to cook food fast, evenly, and with a delightfully crispy texture. Enjoy the efficiency of this all-in-one appliance as it cooks your meals in a fraction of the time compared to traditional ovens. Healthy cooking has never been easier. With this digital air fryer, you can prepare delicious meals using a mere 2% of the oil typically required by traditional fryers. Indulge in your favorite crispy treats guilt-free and embark on a journey towards healthier eating habits. Simplicity meets culinary perfection with the 17 preset options and capacitive touch control screen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice in the kitchen, anyone can cook perfect meals in minutes with this user-friendly appliance. This all-inclusive air fryer comes with 3 airflow racks, a stainless steel rotisserie oven spit and forks, a stainless steel rotating basket with a retrieval tool, and a drip tray. Prepare a wide variety of dishes with ease and convenience, whether you're cooking for yourself or feeding a hungry family. Monitor your cooking progress effortlessly with the interior lights and the extra-large air fryer oven window, allowing you to keep an eye on your food as it cooks to perfection. Cleaning up is a breeze with a removable drip tray and dishwasher-safe parts, ensuring minimal effort and time spent on maintenance. This digital air fryer is CETL approved and equipped with advanced safety technology, providing long-lasting durability and peace of mind. Chefman offers a 1-year assurance for this appliance, guaranteeing quality and performance. Embrace the future of cooking with this multifunctional digital air fryer, your kitchen companion that combines convenience, versatility, and health consciousness in a single appliance. Elevate your culinary skills and reimagine your favorite dishes with this remarkable appliance. The possibilities are endless, and the taste is simply irresistible. At number 5 on the list is the Instant Pot Vortex Mini. This remarkable air fryer is designed to cater to your culinary needs with its 4-in-1 functionality, allowing you to air fry, broil, roast, and reheat your favorite dishes. Experience culinary perfection with the EvenCrisp technology, which drives airflow from top to bottom, resulting in a flawless golden finish and irresistibly crispy yet tender results every time. With one-touch smart programs, you can customize your cooking experience, whether it's wings, roasted veggies, garlicky potatoes, cookies, cinnamon buns, or more. This air fryer requires little to no preheating, allowing you to go from frozen to golden in mere minutes. Enjoy the versatility of its temperature range from 120 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit as you create gourmet meals in a flash. Cleaning up becomes a breeze with a non-stick, dishwasher-safe air fry basket and tray, ensuring effortless cleanup and convenience. This air fryer is perfect for quick and delicious meals, preparing side dishes, appetizers, wings, and more. Its compact size makes it a great addition to any kitchen, easily fitting on your countertop without taking up too much space. Perfect for 1 to 2 servings, it caters to your individual needs. Safety is a top priority, and this air fryer is equipped with built-in safety features like overheat protection and auto-off, providing peace of mind while you cook. Experience the freedom of extra-large capacity with this air fryer. Easily fitting a 12 inches pizza, 6 slices of bread, a whole chicken, and more, it offers ample space to prepare your favorite meals. Its perfect size ensures it fits easily on your counter, making it a versatile and convenient addition to your kitchen. Embrace the culinary possibilities and elevate your cooking prowess with this air fryer. Prepare delicious meals with ease, versatility, and speed. This remarkable appliance brings the joy of gourmet cooking to your fingertips, revolutionizing the way you cook and enjoy your favorite dishes. At number 6 on the list is the Ninja DZ401 Foodie XL 10 quart. This air fryer comes with 2 independent baskets, enabling you to cook 2 foods 2 ways simultaneously. With true 10-quart capacity, this air fryer offers ample space to create delicious meals. Whether you are cooking up to 6 pounds of French fries or 8 pounds of chicken wings, this air fryer has you covered. Embrace the convenience of dual zone technology, which gives you the choice between the Smart Finish feature and the Match Cook feature. The Smart Finish feature allows you to cook 2 foods 2 ways with both finishing at the same time. Meanwhile, the Match Cook feature lets you easily copy settings across zones for full 10-quart capacity meals. With IQ Boost, power is optimally distributed across each basket, ensuring quick and efficient cooking. Prepare a whole 6 pounds chicken and side dishes as fast as possible when Match Cook or Smart Finish is not selected. Enjoy the versatility of the 6 cooking programs, including air fry, air broil, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. From crispy fries to succulent roast, this appliance can do it all. The family-size capacity of 10 quarts and 2 baskets allows you to whip up main courses and sides simultaneously, making large family meals a breeze. Cook up to 8 pounds of chicken wings effortlessly, catering to your crowd's appetite. Experience the convenience of separate heating zones. The 2 independent 5-quart zones have their cooking baskets, cyclonic fans, and rapid heaters, ensuring efficient and precise cooking. Enjoy healthier meals with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. This air fryer has been tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries, providing guilt-free indulgence. Save time with faster cooking. This appliance can cook 2 6-pound chickens up to 30% faster than a traditional oven. From frozen to crispy meals in just 30 minutes. The wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you full control over your cooking process. Cleaning up is a breeze with easy-to-clean baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates, making maintenance a hassle-free task. This air fryer comes complete with a dual-zone air fryer, 2 5-quart baskets, 2 non-stick crisper plates, 15 recipes, and additional meal options and cooking charts. The 81.28 centimeters cord length provides flexibility in your kitchen setup. Embrace the culinary possibilities with this air fryer. Experience the convenience, versatility, and efficiency it brings to your kitchen, and elevate your cooking game to new heights. From quick family meals to delectable party snacks, this appliance will revolutionize your cooking experience. So, that's all about the 6 best air fryers this year. If you think we have left valuable air fryers, please leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe.